Welcome. Today we'll solve the equation 1 over R equals 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2 for R. This equation commonly appears when calculating the equivalent resistance of resistors in parallel. Let's solve this step by step. First, we'll multiply both sides of the equation by R to isolate the 1 on the left side. Next, we'll distribute R to each term on the right side of the equation. Now, we'll find a common denominator for the right side by multiplying the first fraction by R2 over R2 and the second fraction by R1 over R1. This gives us fractions with the same denominator, R1 times R2. Now we can combine the numerators. In the numerator, we can factor out R since it appears in both terms. Now multiply both sides by R1 times R2. Finally, divide both sides by R1 plus R2 to solve for R. And there we have it. The solution is R equals R1 times R2 divided by R1 plus R2. This is the formula for the equivalent resistance of two resistors in parallel. Let's verify our answer by plugging it back into the original equation. Thank you for watching. I hope this helped you understand how to solve this type of equation.